And away we go. Red Alliance with a lot of fuel being fired into that hub. Blue Alliance getting a few into the hub. That human player is pretty good over there on that side. 2 human players. Lots of fuel. Sign them up for the basketball team. All right, here we go. And Blue Alliance gets the call. For their first Alliance shift. 2583 stuck there on the bump. Red Alliance shooting some fuel over into their Alliance zone. Getting ready for their turn in just a few seconds. Here we go, Red Alliance. Cycle breakers with a quick barrage of fuel. Here comes 4295, scoring a few. Getting a last few cycle breakers fuel into that hub. Here comes Blue Alliance. A nice set of volleys there by robot and human player. Woo, look at them go. Like popcorn. Good shooting by 2583. All right, Red Alliance turn. Cycle breakers getting a few fuel, scoring really quickly. Here come the Stingers. Getting a few in. Human player launching a few. And another one there by Cycle Breakers. Stingers come in. Oh, 30 seconds left in the match. Blue Alliance going crazy over there, launching those fuel. Both sides, red and blue, scoring those last second fuels. We're getting close to the end of the match. And that's the conclusion of match 2. We've got a final score. Blue Alliance winning match 2. A new high score, 117 for today. Nice penalty-free game. Very good.